Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Tips. If you're living in a small apartment or a tiny room and you're feeling like you're running out of space, don't worry. Today, I've got 5 simple DIY hacks to help you make the most out of limited square footage. These are practical, budget-friendly, and super easy to do. Let's dive right in. The first tip is a big one. Think vertically. When you're short on floor space, walls are your best friend. Add floating shelves for books, plants, or decorative items. You can also install hooks for hanging bags, hats, or even a bike. Vertical storage not only frees up your floor but also draws the eye upward, making the room feel taller and more spacious. It's a total game changer. Hack number 2 is all about choosing furniture that serves more than one purpose. Get a sofa bed, a fold-out desk, or a coffee table with hidden storage. Furniture that can do double duty is perfect for maximizing small spaces. Plus, you get more bang for your buck. This can be your chill spot during the day and your cozy bed at night. How cool is that? Hack 3. Use mirrors to create illusion of space. Next up, mirrors. They're a classic trick to make any room feel bigger and brighter. Place a mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light. This instantly opens up the room, making it feel more spacious. It's like adding a window without construction. This hack is especially helpful if you have a small, dark room. Hack 4. Foldable or stackable items. Hack number 4 is using foldable or stackable items. When you don't need them, you can easily tuck them away. Think foldable dining tables, stackable chairs, or even a fold-up desk in your bedroom. These items take up zero space when you're not using them. Perfect for people who entertain but don't want their living room to feel like a full-on dining room all the time. Hack 5. Underbed storage. The last tip is underbed storage. This is prime real estate that often gets forgotten about. Use storage bins, baskets, or drawers to keep things like seasonal clothes, shoes, or extra linens under the bed. It's hidden but still easily accessible. No need to sacrifice closet space when you have all this storage potential under your mattress. So there you have it, 5 easy DIY hacks to maximize your small space. These tips are super simple but make a huge difference in how your home feels. Whether you live in a studio apartment, a tiny dorm, or just a cozy room, you can make the most out of your space with these clever tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below telling me which hack you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.